Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fill a shape with a photo in Illustrator. So let's jump right into this video, and without wasting any second, make sure you subscribe for more, and please make sure you watch this till the very end so you don't miss any step, because if you miss one step then you're not going to get the right results. So let's jump right now into this video. And what we have to do is first we're gonna have to decide here what kind of shape we would like to add our image inside our shape. Like which type of shape. So I'm gonna go with this ellipse tool. You can also use this L. I'm gonna click on this now, and now I'm just gonna grab this ellipse, hold shift to lock in. Now I have this shape here. Of course I can change the color. And now what I need to do first is to go here and it says draw inside. You have here, you also have draw behind or draw normal. And to switch these modes you can use Shift plus D. So let's click on draw inside here. As I said, you can also use Shift plus D or Shift plus D. Now I have this here. Sorry, and let me zoom out. Now I have this shape here. I can click on here now. So make sure you click on here or use this Shift plus D to change. And now I click on this. Now I'm gonna have to go to File here, and here I have Place. So click on this Place, and now you're gonna have to select your image that you want to place here, so let's say I would like to place this one here. So now when I place this, now is inside this circle. And now you might ask, what if you want a totally different shape? Well, let's resize this, and now I can use this pen. And now here with the pen tool I can create a shape. So I see a very different shape, and I can click on here now, or as I said, just use the shortcut. And if you would like to, let's actually smoothen those corners. And now here I have this shape, and as I said, what I can do is just to smoothen a little bit the shape. Go to Object. Now here I'm gonna go to Path and Simplify. You see, just to smoothen this shape. And now I have this shape, and I'm just gonna click on here, click on the shape, select the shape, and then click on Draw Inside. Now we're gonna go back here to File and click on Place. All right. Now let's okay, now I'm gonna select this one and paste this here. And yeah, what's interesting that you can still edit this shape. So that's quite helpful. and that's quite helpful, that's for sure. And you can create interesting you know, different effects, interesting effects, which is what we want, of course. So yeah, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.